demo, and today we will code this in C++. So let's get started. I have already created a file here named Happy Children's Day. It's a C++ file, as we will be coding in C++. So hash include iostream, hash include windows.h. we will be needing just two files. Windows.h. I have included this header file, as we will be giving some colors to the terminal. For that it is needed, and iostream is always needed for to print something in terminal. We will be writing using namespace std, so that we don't have to write stdcout, std and stdendl a number of times. And main handle colors. Here handle is a kind of pointer. And get std handle std output handle. String text equals to writing the text Happy Children's Day. Then system CLS. This is used to clear the terminal. System CLS. Using the system, the terminal, we will be clearing the terminal. This this function is located in windows.h header file. Then we will be giving some colors. System color 0D. The 0D is a Unicode for a violet color. And search even Google for the color codes in C++. Then sleep, we're giving some time delay. See, it's showing that is a void. It's a void sleep. It's a function, void function. And it's 2000. It takes the number in millisecond. That means here 2000 millisecond. That means 2 seconds. Out /n/t, two new lines, and then two tabs given here. Lower one. and then we will be using a for loop, so that the kind of animation can do here. See, there's a code snippet. If I write for, and this pops up, and enter, and this comes. So I've already declared I, so no need to declare it again. I less than will be assigning the text, that is the string variable text dot length. So the loop will go from 0 to until the length of the text. Sorry, it's a function. Here we are using if n greater than 9, then n equals to 0, otherwise n plus plus. This is called as the ternary condition. Ternary. This question mark and colon are the ternary operators. You can write it with if else also. Both are correct. And if n equals to 0, then set console text attribute. I can select it here. So text attribute colors, since handle colors were written here, handle colors, and assigning the std output handle so that it can here my output will be shown in the terminal. So the output will work in the terminal. So I am giving the text I am setting the console text attribute, that is will give some colors, and giving here one is for black, and there are many colors, and then else case we doing the same. Instead of 1, we will be giving her n. So what's happening here? If here first n is initialized to 0, then this condition will fail and n will increment by 1. And so since in increment by 1, it will come to the else part and give color to the console, to the text according to the value of n. And when n becomes 0, when n is greater than 9, n will become 0 and this condition will be executed. Now we will be printing the text one by one. That means that we will be printing the character. Text.add I. Here add function will extract characters from the string each time, and this will give colors to it. Time delay this sleep for 100 microseconds, and then we will give again some sleep with delay, time delay actually for 3 seconds. Then system will again give some color. Let's change the color. Last color with yellow background and red text. E for yellow and O for the red text. See out. Good practice to use return 0 to write return 0 when you are writing into format document. This is the code. Add. Can be used to extract characters the tab so that it comes. These are all the shortcuts of using Visual Studio Code. See. Happy Children's Day. The same outfit. So this was all for today. We are all set now. Do like, share and subscribe for more. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest updates at the very first. Thank you.